Hello, I've been creating these videos to help people get into the habit of studying and realized I have not made a video talking about what you need on your desk. Given in this video will be my top 8 items to have on your desk, plus a bonus in the end, so keep watching. So the first item on this list that I have is to have a computer. So how should a computer be used? You can use it for gaming, you can use it to watch videos, or you can watch it to find information you need. All the information is online and my studying videos, so you can join my channel if you would like. If you do not have a desktop, you can use a laptop with the benefit of it being portable. The second object to have on your desk is a phone. Now I know some people might think that this is a con, but hear me out. This would, well, I like to see it as an extension of a laptop. I mean, you can listen to music, you can even, have a timer on your phone. You can watch one of my videos while you're busy. What if there's an emergency that comes up? It can happen at any time, so please have it at a distance, but not too far. In this day and age, everyone has one, and research is just a click away. The third thing would be earphones. This is for people who enjoy music or for people who do not like music. Just having headphones, earphones, or AirPods on with no music at all, will get you into the studying mood. Of course, I'm echoing something that James Clear said in his book Atomic Habits. If you want a copy of the book, there will be a link in my description. So the fourth thing would then be, and this is an exciting part for me, is food. Now I'm not talking about something too heavy over here, I'm talking about fruit and then something with protein in. Remember, the goal is not to binge eat, it's to study. So have something like apples, bananas, blueberries or strawberries, and pair it with something like chia seeds, peanut butter or yogurt. The fifth item I would say to have on your desk is definitely a drink. This can be absolutely any kind of drink you want. I personally enjoy having tea or coffee. The reason for coffee is it has caffeine that helps with alertness and for short-term memory gain. And tea is to help me relax. So whatever kind of drink you choose, remember the goal. It may seem like you're wasting space on your desk for this next item, but trust me on this one. The sixth item on this list is a journal. There's just something about jotting something down quickly while you're doing research or getting information. The seventh item on this list is a pen. This is probably the obvious thing to say after me saying a journal or a book, but make this pen customizable to your personality. I just have this pen. I got it from a little notebook, but any kind of pen or pencil will do. The eighth item I have on this list is water. Now I know I mentioned a drink earlier, however, this is something else entirely. This is something you would always have at hand, and it's just something I appreciate having at my side. So the bonus item I would say is to have anything on the desk that you like. So I haven't started yet, but I have this Game of Thrones book. I've never watched the series or read the book, but I'm excited, and that's how you should feel every time you go to your studying space. So there you have it. These are my top items for optimal concentration. And if you need any tweaking around, please go for it. Remember, this is something that works for me, so you would probably have a different way of doing things. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.